Here we have more shredded zucchini. So what we did with this, like we did for the cake, is we spread the shredded zucchini out on a baking sheet, turned on the oven till it was heated, a couple minutes, maybe at 250, then turned off the oven and let the zucchini sit in the oven for about 20 minutes or so, just to get it a little drier. So here it is, it's all ready to go. I would say in this bowl I have about 4 cups of shredded zucchini. So we're going to make a meatball with this, basically the way you would do regular meatballs at home. So I'm going to put this aside and get ourselves some garlic first. So we want to chop up some garlic. And believe me, when I make these for people, they are very surprised that this is not meat. They can't believe it's zucchini. And it's a perfect thing to do for kids. They hate broccoli, they hate vegetables. Well, don't even tell them what's in this. All right, so here we have our shredded, or not our shredded, but our minced garlic. So, in a large bowl, you want some breadcrumbs, fresh breadcrumbs. So this is about 1 1/4 cups of dry breadcrumbs. And to that, we're going to add that zucchini. So there's all the zucchini. This goes together very quickly. Now you can either, when you do this, you can either fry the zucchini meatballs, or you can bake the zucchini meatballs, either one. There's the garlic. Now we want some salt, a piacere, as they say, to taste. Some pepper, again, to taste. Dried or fresh oregano, so teaspoon or more if you want goes in. So that's our oregano. Parsley, flat leaf Italian. It's all about the green today. And then we want some cheese, 2/3 of a cup of the grated Pecorino Romano cheese. I'm just going to give this great flavor. And then we're going to have to bind this with eggs. And pour that over the mixture. Okay. And then get that all well mixed together. So we have some flour handy and a bake dish. If you're baking these, your oven's on at 350, you've got a greased bake dish, you've got some flour handy, and you've got this mixture. So now you really have to get it all well blended. I like to serve these on a bed of tomato sauce. So since I had all those tomatoes growing in the garden as well, a cook has to think outside the garden, has to think about how he or she is going to utilize all of these wonderful foods that they've grown and are coming into their kitchen. So this is just a clever way to use up a lot of extra zucchini. And you can see that this is just the right amount of moisture for this. There's no water in the base of the bowl, so I know that it's good to go. Okay, so now once we have that, it's just a matter of making these as big or little as you want them to be. So if you want them a meatball size, and to a lot of people, the size of a meatball is relative. So take some of the mixture and just roll it around in your hands until it's nice and compact like that. And then you want to dip it in flour, see? Like that, shake off the excess flour. That's just going to give it a nice little crusty coating on the outside. Doesn't have to be a lot of flour, just a little. And you put it in your bake dish. Okay? And then you just keep going like that until you have enough to put in the oven.